Since you are the teacher of all religious principles, your lotus feet should be worshipped first. According to Shastras, how do they know so many Shastras? And Krishna says, I reveal from in the heart. That's what I'm saying. Krishna says, I give from within the heart, I give knowledge. So who's deeper in the heart of Krishna than the gopis? Becoming a bhakta means, becoming a bhakta of Krishna, a devotee of Krishna, means that you stand in front of the heart of Krishna. You stand before the heart of Krishna and you knock on the door of Krishna's heart. You say, Krishna, I'm standing at the door of your heart. Will you open up your heart to me? And he has a little speaker outside on the wall, and he speaks through the speaker, and you can hear. He won't show you. He says, yes, I'll open the door to my heart, but first you have to clear out all the crap from your heart. So I have one expansion, one other form of mine, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So you sign up one of his contracts. He has many empty contracts. Sign one contract. The first line says, Chaito Darpana Marjanam. So clean the heart and stand by the door. And when your heart is clean, then I'll open the door to my heart. And so already, just by standing outside Krishna's heart, at the door of his heart, we're getting so much inspiration, so much spiritual realization, so much determination, and so much fulfillment and satisfaction and understanding of Krishna. Now imagine the gopis, they reside in the heart of Krishna, inside the heart. So how much understanding they have. So that's why I said the gopis are the perfect example of the greatest devotees who have realized the greatest tattvas and truths about Krishna, because they've opened their hearts fully to Krishna, and Krishna has opened his hearts fully to them. So that's the meaning of the 10th chapter of Gita, verse number 10. Tesham saratayuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam. I give the knowledge by which you can see me. I give the knowledge by which you can realize me. Dadami buddhi yogam. I give you the knowledge by which you can link with me. Yogam. Dadami, I give buddhi, intelligence, discrimination, analyzation. And then with that knowledge, and you can link with me. And when you link with me, you come to me. He says, Tesham saratayuktanam vajratam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti. Upayanti means going up, yanti up. You come to me. So the gopis, they're inside of Krishna. They've come to him fully. And they surrendered fully. And they've loved him and worshipped him with so much feelings of love and attachment for Krishna and all the Brijvasis and everyone else. Every Sakhi loves each other immensely. So with that mutual love, then Krishna became very happy. And so he revealed all kinds of Shastras and all kinds of truths and all kinds of realities that even the greatest Brahmins and Rishis will never understand. But yet the simple gopis of Vrindavan, because they're the greatest lovers of Krishna, they understand the most sublime and esoteric truths of Bhagavad Tattva and of Krishna. So therefore the gopis are the fullest, clearest proof of the point that Krishna is making in Gita, that love opens my heart and love opens the gates of knowledge. The gates of knowledge are opened up by love for Krishna.